eyenquiries provides you with an inquiry form that you can send to parents. Using this form makes it much easier to keep track of inquiries received, since it's directly connected to the system. Any inquiry form submitted by a parent automatically generates a profile on eyenquiries and is added to the inquiry-in stage of the pipeline. The form is also customizable. So you can see how your changes will be applied. You can view your inquiry form by going to System Settings, eyenquiries, then clicking on the Inquiry Form Setup tab. In the top right, you'll find the URL for the form. Click on it to open it in a new tab. To customize the fields, we need to go back to the page we were just on. Here, you can see a list of fields. Next to them, you can select one of 3 options to decide whether it should be a mandatory field, optional, or hidden from the form entirely. The Public Settings column affects the inquiry form that parents have to submit, while the System column affects the form users fill out when adding an inquiry manually. If we scroll down, you can see that some fields will not appear in the public inquiry form. Users are able to fill them out after the form is submitted by editing the inquiry profile. Select your options for each field, then click Save. Refresh the inquiry form to see how your changes have been applied. This inquiry form has been customized in System Settings, which means the changes only affect the form for the nursery branch you're currently on. To find the company-wide inquiry form, go to the Inquiry Form Setup tab in Global Settings. On the global form, parents can choose which nursery branches to submit an inquiry for. If we go back to the nursery inquiry form, we'll see this icon. Clicking on it will restore the nursery form settings to the global configuration. Whenever you make a change, make sure to click Save. Once you're satisfied with the inquiry form, you can start sharing it with parents, or put a link to it on your website. If you want more information on other features of eyenquiries, check out more videos and articles on the Help Center.